All right, morning, guys. Good morning. Let's keep this nice and sweet. Today is Monday, and let's check out some of the levels we got here. Starting off with the 4-hour, I'm just gonna mark a few levels here on the 4-hour that we will watch and pay attention to. I'm gonna go ahead and mark the high here. Alright, so these are the levels on the 4-hour for SPY. I'm gonna go ahead and mark 574.80, 572.80, 570, 565.20. Let's go ahead and break it down to the 4-hour. I mean to the 1-hour, I'm sorry. Okay, so look at all these wickage. So there's a good chance we might come back and visit these levels. Alright, let's go back to the 30-minute. Break it down to the 30-minute. Let's see what we got here. I'm definitely gonna mark these wicks here. And let's see what happens. See what happens with these wicks. This is a real quick breakdown of my levels. Today's Monday, so we're gonna trade very lightly on Monday. I might not even trade until maybe an hour into the market open, but I want to get my chart ready and my levels ready, which is a must every day. You cannot trade without your levels. Even though the trading session doesn't start for another 2 hours, I'm here plotting my levels and prepping my chart for what's to happen. Prepping myself. It's like a business plan. It's not a good idea to just wake up and just jump on the charts. It's very bad idea. After I do my levels, what happens is I go for a walk and kind of just clear my mind. No social media, nothing. Okay, so there's a couple ways we can do this. It looks pretty it looks like it's gonna be a chop day. Looks like today's gonna be a chop day, so let's wait for the shorts. If you're trying to short this, me personally, the EMAs are setting up bearish. Look at all the EMAs, the position that they're in. So we need that. Then let's break above this. So I will not be taking any trades in this area. I am looking for a break of 570 or a break of 572.80. If I was to go long, I would start with the pilot position here, and once we break the highs, I would add in. I'd be very careful taking my profits towards the top. For the short side, I would like to break Thursday's low. If we can break Thursday's low, the zone of Thursday's low, then I would be a buyer. Okay, let's go ahead and look at ES levels. I'm gonna go ahead and mark the lows here. And we trade ES. Let me clear this chart. We trade ES with SPY levels, SPY with ES levels, vice versa. SPY is a cash market, ES is the futures market. So SPY doesn't open until market open, and ES stays open for all hours. Okay, so these are the the basic levels that we will be watching. How I trade is I trade based off of levels, so the reaction depending on volume and the EMAs, the direction of the EMAs is going to decide what direction I take. And me personally, I take profits at every key zone, and at the moment everything's looking pretty bearish. If you look at the EMAs, the way the EMAs are setting up, as long as the 9 EMA continues to lead, I'm looking to short this. If we can break below this would be a very, very good short. Very good short in my opinion. Very good short in my opinion. So we're gonna do this on the trading view chart. Some people say they like it better on trading view. Some people like it on TOS. So I'm gonna do it for both. So we're starting off with SPY again. Sorry that I'm going pretty quick. Let's go ahead and start off with the 4 hour. I'm gonna go ahead and take off all the indicators here. So again, starting off on the 4 hour, this is called the top down. I'm kind of just going real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and mark these levels where we plateau, where institutions buy and sell. Where institutions buy and sell. Keep it real simple today. Like I said, today's Monday, so half size today. Half size. Oh man, there's a gap there, but it's been filled. Okay. I'm just looking at the price action and where the chart's at, and I will give you guys some trade setups here shortly. Okay, so this is 5 minutes. So there's a couple things I see already. Alright, so pay attention to the 5 DMA. We're right below it, right? Yeah, I'd see if we can break below. If we can break below and hold below the 5 DMA, then this is looking good. This is looking good to the short side. Let's wait for Thursday's low to be broken, and we can take a short, which would look something like this. Making sure you're taking your profits at every key zone. Let's check out the BJ key levels real quick, see where they would like us to take profits. Okay, yeah, so that's one area. It's looking like you want to go to the short side. One thing you want to trade with is trade with the structure, right? So pay attention to the structure. It's continuous selling, right? If they don't break this structure here, then I'm pretty sure they're gonna continue down. But if they break the structure, we'll be prepared because we will have our bull scenario. So for the long, make sure you're taking profits at every key level, right? So every morning, this is very important to do this every morning before you trade. You know, levels are subject to change, right? So these levels can change as the market opens, but at least you have some sort of guide to which way the market is going to decide. So no no longs below the VWAP, no shorts above the VWAP. If the 9 EMA continues to push down and all the EMAs continue to point in the downward direction, watch for the clean break of the 9. Watch for the clean break of the 5, 6, 9, 80 zone, and we can take a short. Remember taking profits at Thursday's low and just protecting yourself. using, this is a beautiful area to take a trade. Beautiful area to take a trade. You know, very, very low risk. You know, and if there is a risk, once we have a clean break above the VWAP, if you're short, then you get out, plain and simple. But then again, what they're doing here is they could be dangling the carrot to show that everyone wants to go short, and what they'll do is squeeze all the shorts out. Watch for the break of this continuous selling. Watch for the break of the VWAP if you're trying to go long, right? Watch for the break of 571. Watch for the break of 571, guys. Okay, let's check out ES. And then we'll kind of do the same thing that we did. Plain and simple, since we've already charted SPY, we're already familiar with the bias of the day. So basically now, we're just gonna plot. We're gonna plot our bias, our different biases, because we don't hold the bias, right? We'll show our bullish and bearish scenario, and we will take our trades based upon that. Look at the 5 DMA where it's located. This is something to pay attention to. Very, very important, right? So a few things keep in mind. Let's see what happens. They could very well push up, but me personally, I'm gonna wait. If I want to go long, I need the break of there. It's hanging out with the view up. I need a clean break of the 5 DMA. Let's do this like that. I'll clear everything up shortly so you guys get a better look. Yeah, if we can break, if you want to be safe, so there's two ways you can go about the short here, right? Two ways you can go about this short. One way is to wait for the break of this pre-market low, watch SPY, or if you want to stay safe, we can wait for the break of Thursday's low. If you're looking for a quick scalp, you can take you know, probably a rejection off of the VWAP, or a quick, when it breaks down, it could break down here, quickly push here, and get squeezed back up. Buyers could come in. I'd watch that area. That's where the buyers came in on Thursday. We've been pushing up since. So that's what I'll be watching for the ES. I like to watch SPX and trade SPX options as well. So with SPX, I keep it real simple. I trade from level to level, real simple. And what I do here is I set my levels up to trade off of. And when I say I can trade, when I say trade from level to level, I'm talking about from this level to this level, from this level to this level, vice versa, supply and demand. So that is the plan for today, guys. Trade small today. Today is Monday. You know, let's ease into the week. What am I gonna do to avoid this? I'm not gonna overtrade. I'm gonna wait till 10 to start trading. 2 red trades, I'm walking away. I'm looking for that one trade and I'm done, one and done. show back up around 10 o'clock, and I will probably go live around 10. And hopefully these levels help you guys. Remember, don't trade in this area. I would consider this area chop. You get chopped up here. This is the 15 to 30 minutes after open chop mix is what I've noticed. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Hope you guys have a good day. Trade safe, trade smart. I'll catch you guys later.